4K cameras provide the best image quality and clarity. 4K cameras use the most advanced 8-megapixel image sensor. This allows 4K security cameras to create images that are almost 4 times the size of a standard 1080p HD security camera. Larger sensors can also capture more light, thereby improving low light performance and overall image quality. The high pixel density provides a reliable digital zoom, which is another advantage of 4K CCTV cameras. You can also zoom in to see more details such as human faces or license plates. The security camera is essential to ensure the safety of your home or business. We have listed the top 5 4K security cameras and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. Amcrest 4K Security Camera System with 8ch POV NVR. The Amcrest 4K Security Camera System is an intelligent security camera system offering excellent 4K recording with an 87-degree viewing angle. If you're someone who likes saving your footage in 4K for future reference, you'll like this security camera system. The cameras are 8 megapixels that offer excellent image quality, and they record in 4K resolution. Additionally, there's also night vision, which allows video recording in extreme darkness to up to 100 feet. The built-in 2TB HDD provides recording for long periods, or you can set it to record only when motion is detected to save memory space. Thanks to its plug-to-play system, the Amcrest 4K security camera system is easy to set up. The Amcrest View app allows you to monitor your home or business remotely if needed. Customizing your alerts and notifications is also possible with this system. Number 4. ZOSI 4K Ultra HD Security Camera System. ZOSI 4K Ultra HD Security Camera System is one of the best 4K DVR security systems in the market that provides clear images and reliability. This surveillance system is suitable for both home and business installations. The kit comes with 4 or 8 pieces of 4K security cameras. Although the price is a bit more expensive, it's definitely worth your money. The cameras are weather resistant, and the built-in IR LED lights provide 150 feet night vision images, meaning this system is able to get clear images at daytime and nighttime as well. The 4K resolution is 4 times higher than the resolution of 1080p. So 4K is 8 megapixel while 1080p is simply 2 megapixels. This means that this ZOSI camera system is able to record faraway objects or scenes with relatively good picture quality. The BNC coaxial cameras on the package comes with 3.6mm lens with 110 degrees viewing angle, which will provide more depth and clarity. The system has a built-in H.265 plus compression technology that is able to rescue the size of the recordings, hence saving more space on the hard drive and record more days. You can set the system to record either continuous mode or motion detection. If on motion detection mode, the system will record longer. This 4K security system comes with its own app, and you'll be able to see the cameras from everywhere, play back them, and get certain notifications such as when there's motion or tampering event. The app is free and is supported for Android phones or iPhones. Number 3. Arlo Ultra 4K Wire-Free Security Camera System. This wire-free security camera truly is one of the best picks you can go with when picking up a setup for your home security. It is a smart product that comes with a 4K crystal clean shot and HDR detail due to its high-performance lens. Being one of the wider angle recording systems, the Arlo can film up to 180-degree view. Also, unlike other security cameras on this list, the Arlo comes with a colored night vision camera. Finally, it also has an auto image adjustment that helps enhance any blurred, grained, or dark images. An interesting key feature that the Arlo has is also a dual noise cancelling microphone. This allows for a crisp and clear two-way conversion so you can get your deliveries in style. Another useful aspect is that the device can connect to Amazon's Alexa as well as Google Assistant. Just as the Amcrest security camera, Arlo has its own application that provides the customer with constant visible access and notifications regarding any potential movement. The app has features such as triggering a smart siren or turning on an integrated spotlight which can ward off any unwelcome guests. And if that does not work, you could always turn on the mic and scream to the intruders to get off your lawn. A final aspect that many customers enjoy in the Arlo is the auto zoom and tracking feature, allowing for some advanced profiling and information gaining. Number 2. Lorex 8-channel Fusion NVR system with 4 4K Smart IP cameras. The Lorex Fusion NVR system is an industry-leading security camera system with 4K IP cameras that will elevate your home or business security monitoring to a whole new level. This security camera system includes a 16-channel network video recorder combined with 8 4K bullet security cameras. The camera's 8-megapixel image sensor can take pictures and record videos in 4K resolution, resulting in high-quality digital zooms and sharper videos. All 8 security cameras have color night vision. Thanks to its infrared LEDs, this Lorex Fusion security camera system allows you to record humans and vehicles in complete darkness or low light up to 130 feet. This system can connect up to 2 Wi-Fi devices to open channels and other optional accessory alarm sensors as well. The security camera supports HEVC by H.265 video compression, allowing you to record more efficiently while taking up less storage. Speaking of storage, this feature-rich system has a built-in 3TB hard drive that is expandable with 2 8TB hard drives. The cameras are enclosed in an IP67 rated metal enclosure that will protect the system from extreme weather conditions. Remote viewing with your mobile is possible with the Lorex Home app. So, whether you're looking for an intelligent, powerful security camera system for your home, business, or commercial property, we highly recommend this security camera system from Lorex. Number 1. Reolink Smart 4K Security Kit with Person Vehicle Detection. The Reolink Smart 4K Security Kit with Person Vehicle Detection is an intelligent and capable security camera system for your home or business. The system features 4 POV IP cameras that can identify people and vehicles based on their shapes, reducing the likelihood of false, unwanted alerts of animals and shadows. Besides, the security camera has an 87-degree viewing angle and records videos at 4K resolution. The highly sensitive built-in microphone can pick up ambient sounds, providing an extra layer of added security. With 18 infrared LEDs in each camera, this security camera can record videos in pitch-black darkness to up to 100 feet. This is also one of the most straightforward security camera systems out there. It's genuinely a plug-and-play security system, as only one cable connects each camera to the NVR for video signal transmission and power. This Reolink security camera comes with a built-in 2TB of HDD storage, allowing you to continuously record all day and night without running out of space. The Reolink app keeps you connected to your home or business and allows you to live stream and replay moments of motion alerts anytime, anywhere. Modern 4K security camera systems come with many options, designs, and features. When choosing your security camera system, make sure to consider your property size, storage needs, budget, as well as specific features which could make the difference. Let us know in the comments down below which 4K security camera you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.